The question is, which is the best type of cohesion? The four options are coincidental, logical, sequential, and functional. The correct answer is the functional cohesion. As we can see in the chart, there are 7 types of cohesion. Cohesion can be classified into 7 types, starting from low to high. Coincidental, logical, temporal, procedural, communicational, sequential, and functional. As we can see from the chart, functional is the best type of cohesion. But what about the other types of cohesion given in the options? Option A, coincidental cohesion. A module is said to have coincidental cohesion if it performs a set of tasks that relate to each other very loosely. That is the lowest type of cohesion. Logical cohesion is a bit better than coincidental cohesion. A module is said to be logically cohesive if all elements of the module perform similar operations. A sequential cohesion is the second best type of cohesion. A module is said to possess sequential cohesion if the different functions of the module execute in sequence. And not only that, the output from one function is the input to the next function in the sequence. That is the sequential cohesion. But the best type of cohesion is the functional cohesion. What is the functional cohesion? A module is said to possess functional cohesion if different functions of the module cooperate to complete a single task. Thus, functional cohesion is the best type of cohesion. And the answer is functional cohesion.